Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farad Daniel bin Syarul Azlan. I'm from DBS 3A and I'm going to present about the Hewlett Packard HP from the Technology Management MGT 2683. First of all, we look at the table content. The first one explain the political, economic, social, technological, legal and environmental force that can affect HP performance. The number two, discuss how HP could investigate their business for the future by using technology and forecasting model. And the last one is discuss HP technology based on the stage in product life cycle. So we go to the question number one. Explain the political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental force that can affect HP performance. Number one is political. The first point is HP operates in 170 countries around the world, hence political factors play an important role in its operation throughout this nation. The second point is HP experienced criticism in 2012 and the United Nations Human Rights Commission expressed their worry. Any company's expansion in a particular area depends on the political issue. And the last one for the political is the climax for the specific cooperation will be steady if the country has a stable government. Otherwise, business tend to be hesitant to invest in countries where the government change more frequently. Furthermore, we go to the economic. The point of economic first is many factors like inflation rate, GDP growth, labor costs, the financial and the economic stability of the country play an important role in HP growth. The second point is if a country has a growing gross domestic profit, it will offer HP a market that is continuously increasing and in today's world, a growing GDP need more compute product and software which HP provide. And the last point is many other factors like the skilled labor force, the unemployment rate, efficiency of the financial market also impact HP operation in a particular country. In addition, we go to the social. The first point, social factors like demographic of a country, educational level in the country, the culture of a region and its social structure have both direct and indirect impact of HP generation. HP operation. The second point is as a nation's educational level rise, more students graduate, increasing the demand for the computers and related products such as India's country population has grown more educated recently. There has been an increase in demand for laptops, desktop computer and printers in India. And the last one is HP must market its product to parents rather than children in nation like India where parents have a greater control over their offspring.
Next, I will continue with technology. First main point, being a tech giant, technological factor affect HP more. The rapid advancement in technology has created more challenges for HP. Second main point, because Lenovo sell the same product with greater innovation but at a lower price than HP. Lenovo overtake HP in terms of revenue and sale of various products as a result of the rapid advancement of technology. HP has commit more than $2 billion in research and development to stay up with its rival, and it must spend more to do so. Okay, last main point is now that 5G is expected to be the next big thing in nation like India. HP must tailor its solution to meet the needs of its client. It is simpler for HP to sell its product directly to customers in developing nations where the population begin utilizing digital payment method and several third-party payment apps. In addition, is legal. First, before entering a new market or even when specific change, to a government policy take place, the firm is directly impacted. The need to protect personal data grows in importance as technology develops, which is why there are so many data protection and privacy regulation in different nations. Therefore, HP must abide by the data rules of the specific nation. For instance, many nations, including China, the EU apa tu? I'm sorry, the EU and India desire to save their data there. It is crucial to abide by consumer protection laws in I'm sorry. It is crucial to abide by consumer protection laws in nations including the US, EU, UK and India. Last, HP must investigate how consumer protection laws are implemented in specific nations and how ordinary consumers and different activist groups responded to the laws. And last point for the first question is environmental. Weather and climate conditions also play an important role because in countries which have extreme weather conditions, the company have to spend more on the supply chain and the build quality of product. This will indirectly lead to the increase in price of the product. HP announced that it recycled 1 billion product and from then onwards it increased its goals every year. Because of this effort, HP ranked number one for many years in many environmental sustainability indexes. With regard to HP papers and product packaging, there has been zero deforestation. Since HP is a responsible company, it must abide by the Paris Climate Agreement rules. This will instill confidence in HP among its customers, will, which will increase sale of HP product.
Next is question 2. Discuss how HP could investigate their business for the future by using technology forecasting model. First, make specification of forecast. Midterm forecast 5 until 10 years. It is used when technology is in its growth phase. The 3D printing is considered in the growth phase because this technology is growing and try to penetrate the market as much as it can, whereby this technology already in develop after the 2D printer were placed. Second is identify environment variable. First, political, legal, environmental. The political environment across the country and globally has a profound effect on the business of HP brand like HP. For sales company that have their distribution system and supply chain located at over the world, the political environment in various countries and its stability are important. There are also other political factors such as the unfair targeting of US business in Europe. Second, social environment refers to the value, belief, attitude of society. HP has been affected by the changing social environment in a number on ways. For example, the increasing emphasis on environmental sustainability has led HP to develop more environmental friendly products. Take data select source by selecting forecasting technique. Statistic data, quantitative, internal data, external data, market research data, sales data, and customer satisfaction data. Second, expert opinion. qualitative: customer feedback, industry analysis report, to leadership, consult advice, and employee insight.
Next is employ forecasting technique. Number one is exploratory. Trend analysis. HP can examine the predict based on historical data to see their business performance. For example, before this, 2D printer were less popular because there are better brands on the market. So they decided to R&D their product to meet customer need. Second one is expert opinion. HP need to look at the customer point of view. This is because through them, HP can improve the shortcoming of their product so that can meet customer satisfaction. Before this, the printer had to use a cable to print. This will make it difficult for users. So HP improved their product from cable to wireless, which is Bluetooth. Um, the next one is normative. They use morphological analysis. HP need to identify all possible solutions. So HP can find the best solution that can compete with other competitors in the market. HP need to find how to satisfy their customer and solve the problem. Next is use by application. The producer will make the HP corporation more productive and technologically savvy as a result. Resources should be simple to manage their product and should be ready for availability. And sales should continue to increase. The last one is undertake review. To grow its business, SP must employ forecasting methodologies. After implementing the forecasting technology approach, HP will be better able to manage their business because they know how to improve their technology to compete with other market competitors. Following the method, HP might produce more innovative product. For example, HP can add more advanced function to attract more customer and to be main choice of technological product.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Dini Razik, BDB 2211 and 039 DBS 3A. I will explain about HP technology based on product life cycle that divided to 5 stages. The product development stages of HP. The world is quite different when the Hewlett-Packard company HP was established in 1939. No computers were entirely electronic. Industrial printing presses were the only printer available. The majority of Palo Alto, California was made up of orchards. The development of the internet was decades away. The HP history was considered with the growth of Silicon Valley and the development of home computing. With the help of HP innovation, home computers and the printers became more affordable to the average customer, and the company's success inspired a surge of electronic businesses in Santa Clara County, California. Everyone wished for a gathering in HP community. Introduction stages of HP. In the 1930s, sound, film, and radio dominated American culture. Electronic signaling makes it possible for these technologies to exist. It is simple to understand that Brooke Young Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard to Stanford University to study electrical engineering. Everything started in 1938 when Bill and Dave worked part-time building devices in a Palo Alto garage and tried to establish their first technology with only $538 in capital. They invent the first HP model, that is HP model 200A, is oscillator used to test sound equipment. The Walt Disney Company buys 8 HP oscillators to prepare movie theaters to screen Fantasia. Growth of stage of HP. Their business incorporate on August 18, 1947, and the sales began to increase quickly as the product inquiries, approval, and exposure in the market. To keep up with the increasing customer demand, HP makes big investment in both marketing and production. As an example, when HP first entered the laptop market, HP developed its first personal computer. It's a scientific calculator called the HP 9100A. As for the calculator coin in term personal computer, these devices experience an impressive rise in sales as a consequence of their increasing popularity.
Okay, next, I will continue maturity stage of HP. In this stage, the product reach its peak in terms of sale. Price competition result from competitors frequently entering the market with similar product. To preserve its market share, HP may also develop upgraded version on the product. In particular, HP inkjet and laser printers have gone through several changes over the year to maintain their position as leaders in the established printing market. In 1996, flights fly at half-staff across Silicon Valley to mourn the passing of Dave Packard. Bill Hewlett passed away in 2001 and received a similar tribute. Although Bill and Dave are gone, HP continues to innovate as the internet comes of age.
And the last one is this line stage of HP. First, by the end, I'm sorry. First, and the last one, we go to the decline stage of HP. By the end of April 2020, HP revenue has decreased to 12.5 billion. Their sales has an impact on the company's shares and dilutes their consumer base. In a supply chain issue, the pandemic hasn't been kind to any technology management, and HP is no exception either. Beside the depressing 11% decline in overall sales, the company's stock went down by 17%, going from 17.12 to $16.12 in 2020. And the last one is ran out of ink. The printer the printer industry experienced a 35% reduction in the second quarter of 2020, falling from 839 million to 548 million. Additionally, when contrasted, every other department performs worse than their printing sector. Revenue from printing fell by 19%, but only 7% from personal computers. In conclusion, HP has established itself as a prominent player in the information technology industry, known for its commitment to innovation, sustainability, and corporate social responsibility. HP is well positioned to prosper in the digital era thanks to its broad range of goods and services, deep knowledge of its business, and commitment to meeting its customer changing demands. And this is overall of our reference from MBA school team, M. Hijat Pratap, Nauful Haki, and the last one is NA and is the history of HP. That's all from us. Thank you. And my group members is Muhammad Farad Daniel bin Syarul Azlan, Afifi Kuyum bin Kamarul Zaman, Muhammad Faris Daniel bin Khairul Nizam, Amirul Aiman bin Nasir Uzwan, and the last one is Muhammad Daniel Haziq bin Muhammad Faid.